Hi guys, this is Karen. Welcome to a new video. Well, I applied mineral sunscreen and my face is completely white. In this video, I'm going to show you what you can easily do to correct it and not go out of the house with a white face. First, I use this Catrice dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury and applied it with a brush, and I just pressed onto my skin and not smeared. Just press, dab all over my face because I just wanted an even layer, something really light, not over the top. I didn't want to use foundation at all, but when I finished applying my sunscreen and I noticed that my face is super white, I had to cover it somehow, and this is the quickest and best way to do so. And I also had to do my brows because, as you can see, I almost don't have anything left. Just at the beginning some, but at the end it's just the hair are there. They're just need some color to my brows, and now I'm just combing them, first of all to spread everything and also to make the white that stuck to them disappear. Then my beloved bronzer stick from Rare Beauty. This is in the shade Happy Soul. I am just dabbing. I over dabbed on my forehead, and now I'm just taking my bronzer brush and kind of spreading the material. As you can see, I applied too much to my forehead, and that's why it took forever to blend, but it is what it is. There's nothing we can do about it. And now I took my blush. I'm using my Sigma cream blush. Just adding a tiny bit with my fingers and then taking my blush brush and just tapping. And this is the motto of this video: tapping. Now deciding which lipstick to use, and I decided to use my Sephora collection, which I really love. I have it for about a year and it is starting to dry out, which is a bummer, but nevertheless I love it. This is the final look, quick, easy, and if you did like this video, thumbs up and please subscribe.